Nagluluksa ang mga senador sa pagpanaw ni dating Senate President Juan Ponce Enrile. Matatandaan minsan bumalik si Enrile sa Senado noong nakaraang taon. Pero ano nga ba ang kanya naging mensahe sa mga naging kasamahan o ng mga naging kasamahan nito sa Senado? Alamin yan sa report ni Daniel Manalastas.
We all suffer from the same disease, you and I, and that disease is time. It comes sooner or later. Now it is my time.
Minsang bumalik ang namayapang dating Senate President Juan Ponce Enrile sa Senado noong November 26, 2024, kung saan siya binigyang pagkilala ng mga dating kasamahan para sa kanyang kontribusyon at serbisyo para sa mga Pilipino.
You are now in charge of this country, and this country must be handled by every generation of Filipinos. No one, no president, no senator, no member of the House can singly develop this country. It must be developed by the collective effort of every Filipino and every generation. It is the only country that we have, and we happen to be here. We cannot change our geography. We have to deal with our present environment.
Kasagsagan ng debate sa plenaryo kahapon para sa 2026 national budget nang lumabas ang malungkot na balita. Ang pagpanaw ng tinaguriang Manong Johnny. Ang mga debate na palitan ng pag-alala sa kanilang dating kasamahan.
He has dedicated his whole life, even until his last days, to public service, and we will remember him for his formidable intellect and compassion to the people, especially the employees of the Senate.
We learned so much from the good gentleman from Cagayan. As a matter of fact, when he would speak to us, Mr. President, we were always at awe with his legal mind. And
Inilarawan naman ni Senator Francis Escudero na parang isang ama si Enrile, lalo na nung bago pa sila sa Senado taong 2007 hanggang 2013. Para kay Senador Lito Lapid, si Enrile ay isang alamat sa larangan ng politika. Ibinahagi naman ni Senador J.V. Ejercito noong naging seatmate niya si Enrile sa Senado, hindi raw ito naging madamot sa pagbabahagi ng mga kaalaman at karanasan. Para kay Senador Jinggoy Estrada, hindi lang mentor, kundi isang ama na ang katalinuhan, gabay ay naging pundasyon ng unang 2 termino niya sa Senado. Nagpasalamat naman si Senador Joel Villanueva kay Manong Johnny. Hindi raw makakalimutan ng sambayanang Pilipino ang katapatan ni Enrile at pagmamahal sa bayan.
I went to war during the war. I participated in the drama that we have had in this chamber. I've been jailed several times, but I survived, and that's why I'm here today. That is the essence of our struggle to make this country exist. Not for ourselves, not for anyone, but for our families and our descendants. Perhaps this will be the last honor that I will receive, but nonetheless, from the bottom of my heart, I'm grateful and thank you very much.
Daniel Manalastas para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.